Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in Adobe Express. Layers are essential for organizing your design elements and controlling which parts of your project appear in front or behind others, giving you complete creative control over your composition. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express workspace. After logging in, you'll see the left panel where you can start your project. Click on Templates to browse through Adobe's collection of pre-designed layouts. Take your time scrolling through the options until you find one that fits your vision. Once you've selected a template you like, click Customize Template to begin editing. Alternatively, if you already have a project in progress, you can simply select that existing project instead. Now, let's focus on how to work with layers. Navigate to the right side of your screen where you'll see all the layers of your current design listed. Each element in your project, whether it's text, an image, or a shape, exists on its own layer. To change the order of these layers, click on the specific design or layer you want to move. You can drag it upward to bring it closer to the front or downward to send it further back. This dragging motion allows you to rearrange how elements overlap with one another. If you want to add a new layer to your project, you'll need to insert a new design element. To do this, click the plus icon in the left panel. This will open up several options for what you can add to your design. From these options, select Elements. This is where you'll find shapes, icons, graphics, and other design components you can incorporate into your project. Once you're in the Elements section, browse through the left panel and choose your preferred element. After selecting it, the element will appear on your canvas. Place it anywhere you want by clicking and dragging it to your desired position. This new element now exists on its own layer, which you can manipulate just like any other. Sometimes you might want more precise control over layering beyond just dragging. To send an element behind another, right-click on the element you want to adjust. From the menu that appears, choose either Send Backward to move it back one layer at a time, or Send to Back to immediately place it behind all other elements. This gives you fine-tuned control over the stacking order. Finally, if you want to prevent accidentally moving or editing a specific layer, you can lock it in place. Click on the element you want to protect, then right-click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Lock. This ensures that the layer stays exactly where it is, even if you're making other changes to your design. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively manage layers in Adobe Express, giving you the power to create more complex and polished designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.